Welcome to jzgraphics. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make modern poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool, and create a rectangle shape. And apply any fill color. Change its stroke to none. And do the center align. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image and place. Decrease its opacity. And set the image placement. Bring opacity to 100%. Right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+J for a duplicate copy. As this is complex image, to remove its background, follow my steps. Create black and white adjustment layer. Set the yellow, red, and green color to darker shade. Then create levels adjustment layer. Set its settings. Click on Layer, go to the Select menu, and choose Color Range. Follow my settings. I need a little manual selection. Hide adjustment layers. Select Image Layer, and add a layer mask to it. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Follow my text settings. Select Background Layer. And create a light gray adjustment layer. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Filter menu, and then Filter Gallery. Apply grain texture to it, with these settings. Decrease its opacity to 90%. And it's done. If you have any questions, You can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.